Today is a great day, folks. I'm totally pumped to show you my soy sauce and mustard glazed salmon recipe. This recipe won me first prize in a cooking contest at cooking school. My other recipes were kind of duds, but nevertheless, this recipe was fantastic. So I'm going to show you it right now. You will need 2 salmon fillets, olive oil, mustard, rice vinegar, soya sauce, maple syrup, a garlic clove, ginger root, and some seasonings such as salt, pepper, sesame seeds, and red chili flakes. First, spread some olive oil on the fish. Make sure you even get the sides of the fish and apply it to both sides. Then set that aside. Let's begin the sauce. Add 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Mine is this no sugar added but sweetened with sucralose maple syrup. Then give it a quick mix. Then grate some ginger in it. As much as you like, it's totally fine. And add in your clove of garlic. And give it another quick mix. Put some salt on the fish, both sides, and some pepper. Then pour on the glaze and massage in thoroughly. Then you get your friend George here, who's wearing a very stylish outfit, to preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees at 5 minutes. Then you open up the air fryer and put the fish in. Then you put it into the air fryer and set it to the fish setting, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit at 10 minutes, and press go. And when they are done, you got these amazing, delicious salmon pieces that are oh so good. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time, bye. 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 Bye.